Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Dave with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20947. Awesome running Cat. It's a 2000 GC30K, 6,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast, side shift, 42-inch pallet forks, brand new installed treaded traction drive tires, cushion. It's going to run it up for us real fast. Does 189 inches of max lift height. Very tall up in the sky. Now he's doing the side shift up there. Has a brand new, recently installed engine. Runs like a top. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Ready for work, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. Thank you much for watching.